A cost-effective soldering iron kit, a Fnirsi HS01. Recently, I found a cost-effective soldering iron set for everyone. This is the Fnirsi HS01, which I've been testing for a while. It's an internally heated, smart soldering iron. The HS01 is portable, measuring 185 mm in length, with its widest part being 20.5 mm. It weighs just 54.1 grams. What I'm most satisfied with is the cap for the soldering iron tip. To use it, simply rotate the cap 90 degrees to remove it and rotate it back after use. This design offers several advantages. 1. Convenient storage. 2. Protection for the soldering iron tip. 3. Time saving, as you don't have to wait for the tip to cool completely before putting the cap back on, reducing the risk of burns. The default soldering tip is a large knife tip, which is perfect for most daily soldering tasks. If you want to replace it with a different tip, simply unscrew the tightening nut and swap it out. This soldering iron features a Type-C power interface and supports the PD fast charging protocol with 65 watts of power. The official package includes a 65-watt fast charger and a soft silicone data cable, which doesn't hinder movement while soldering. It also comes with a small 0.87-inch OLED screen that displays the working status and menu. There are 2 buttons, left and right, for navigating the menu options. When you power on the soldering iron, a startup logo appears. Press the left button to enter working mode. The display shows a temperature of 380 degrees Celsius for the soldering tip, a heating power bar, and the working voltage, 20 volts. The current set temperature is also displayed, 380 degrees Celsius. In normal working mode, you can long press the right button to turn off the heating and enter standby mode. Press the left button again to resume working mode. To adjust the temperature, press either button to enter the temperature adjustment menu, then adjust the temperature by pressing the left or right button. You can long press the buttons to decrease or increase the temperature by 10 degrees. I typically set mine to 380 degrees Celsius, and after adjusting, it automatically returns to the working display. This smart soldering iron also features a menu with various options. By pressing and holding both buttons, you enter the menu. 1. Screen brightness, adjustable by pressing the left and right buttons. 2. Temperature calibration, no need to calibrate in most cases. 3. Temperature unit, set to your preferred unit, Celsius, Fahrenheit. 4. Sleep time, the default is 10 minutes but can be adjusted between 1 and 20 minutes. I set mine to 10 minutes. 5. Sleep temperature. The default is 200 degrees Celsius, adjustable between 80 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius. 7. Language, supports Chinese and English. 8. Handheld mode, choose left or right-handed operation. Most people will prefer the right-handed option. 9. Voltage setting. There are 4 levels, 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, and 20 volts. The default is 20 V. Make sure to set it according to the charger you're using to avoid shutting down the soldering iron. These are all the menu settings, and once done, you can long press to exit the menu. Now, let's discuss the overall usage experience. The soldering iron's grip is comfortable due to the silicone at the main holding point. Initially, I found it a bit awkward compared to other models like the TS100, but I quickly got used to it. The maximum temperature of the HS01 is 420 degrees Celsius, which is more than enough for soldering drones. For daily use, I usually set it to 380 degrees Celsius. Using the official 65-watt charger, the tip heats from room temperature to 420 degrees Celsius in about 21 seconds. I tested the iron on some drone components, a solder link board, and 2 thin wires, an R4 AWG motor wire, and the solder wire commonly used for receivers. First, I tinned the soldering iron and then soldered the wires. The tinning speed was fast, and the solder joints turned out smooth and full. The iron also performed well with 12 AWG power wires, easily melting large amounts of solder. In terms of power supply, besides the PD fast charger, you can also use a power bank that supports the PD fast charging protocol. For field work, you can power the soldering iron using a drone battery with an XT60 to Type-C adapter cable. This makes it versatile in various environments. One area for improvement could be the size and weight. A shorter and slimmer design might enhance the user experience. Overall, I've had a great experience using the Fnirsi HS01 internally heated smart soldering iron. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Additionally, Fnirsi is a high-tech brand that designs and produces cost-effective instruments and tools. If you need reliable measuring instruments, I recommend giving this brand a try. You can get buying link in description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.